How's it going, guys? Junior here with LMR Mustangs, bringing you back another video. Today's video, we are back working on my fiance's S197 Mustang because we got a package from LMR and we are replacing the lower valence to a GT500 slash Boss 302 slash GT California Special valence. So it'll have like a nice diffuser on there, give it a nice aggressive look to match the Shelby wing. So stay tuned.
Music bed.
So as you can see, this is the new valence. I had already unboxed it because it comes kind of folded, so you just gotta let it, in the sun, and it goes back to where it was. But if you notice the difference, this has the diffuser on there, and the exhaust hose might be a little bigger. We'll see once we actually put it on, but that'll give it the nice, more of an aggressive look on there. And this is a Ford OEM part, so if you guys want to go on LMR was the cheapest place to get this from with free shipping, so keep that in mind. I checked everywhere and they were the cheapest ones, and that also incorporated free shipping on there. So it is a Ford OEM part, so it should fit on there. Looks like we have a couple bolts, and then I did already kind of start messing with it. There's a bunch of push clips, and then here it just kind of clicks in. I'm going to try to do it with the bumper on, although I'm noticing now that there's probably a bolt there that I'm not going to be able to get to, so I might have to take off the bumper. We'll see. I might be able to get it to the top in here to the trunk. But we're going to set this aside. I'm going to, count all the bolts. I did also, what I recommend doing, get a new install kit, because you're going to have to take off these clips from the bottom. That'll probably break. Nobody got brand new ones. But I'm going to mess with it, and then I'll show you guys little by little, once it's off, what actually incorporated and how hard was it to take off. Or if we take off the bumper, then we'll do that. Got my fiance behind the camera. So the clips over here are accessible under the bumper, but there's like a box bracket thing that blocks some clips and a bolt here. So just go ahead and take off your Phillips for the bumper and the little lower valence. Then you just get a pull. And if you come over here, you have access to those, and you don't have to take off the bumper. So I'm going to go ahead and take off this. These are the clips that I was discussing about. You just pop those off. And then the Phillips, there's two. There's one right here that I already took off. And this one. Then got to do the other side. So all you got to really do is simple Phillips bolts. And that's it. We'll see. We'll let you guys know. But I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and then we'll go over to the other side and hopefully take this off. Alright, so we got it off. There is one clip that you won't see here. That's pretty much right here that holds the harness, I'm assuming for the license plate and the taillights and stuff. That was the hardest thing, but once you get all those pretty much from here that way, you just gotta pull on it. The hardest ones were here. I just had my fiance hold on it right here, and you pull it and it'll come undone. So now gotta vacuum all the dirt, clean all the dirt off of there. There's a bunch of rocks everywhere. The new one should essentially just clip on. You just gotta put all the new hardware push clips, bolts, and you're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum everything, and then we'll start putting the new one on, and we'll see what the final product looks like. Alright, so run to the car. I got 80% of it back installed. I will say, these tabs, if you went from a V6 like this one, and you're doing this upgrade on the lower valence on the back, your V6 one isn't gonna have this. So you're gonna put it behind the exhaust hanger, and there's already holes on the body. That's where you're going to clip them, so that's kind of what holds this in there, and I'm going to make that tighter, but just an FYI, because the V6 one doesn't have this, because this one goes farther deep in here. The other one just has the ones in the center over here, so that's where they're going to go, and it's got two, one on each side, so just an FYI. Alright, so it's all said and done, and gotta say, huge difference, complements the GT500 wing perfect. Might have to throw on some bigger exhaust tips now. But even from the side, you know, it's lower. Now we can put some side splitters all around. Maybe that's the next thing. But that's gonna be it. I mean, it took about an hour and a half, you know. Just take your time on it. But simple, easy install, and definitely now from the back it changed the look a lot. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Again, we got this from LMR. I'll put the link in the description. They were the cheapest ones and the ones that offer free shipping. So definitely, if you guys want to cop one of these, it's an OEM 4-part. Go ahead and get it from LMR. It's not a sponsored video whatsoever. Just letting you guys know that's the place to get this if you want one. That's going to be it for today's video. Make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. And stay tuned for more S197 content. We do have a couple more things planned for this thing. Until we're done, I'm going to see if I can convince her to lower it. We'll see. But catch you on the next one. Peace.